Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction to the CSS. Uh, First of all, what is CSS meaning? CSS mean Cascading Style Sheets. It's used to styling your markup language like HTML. It can be it can use to control and the style, control the layout and the style of a web page. Using CSS, we can create very creative, like very beautiful appearance for the websites. Okay, let's go into the. There are three types of uh, CSS styling methods. First one is inline CSS, which is used to in the HTML element. It's going to use the style and the property and the value. Let's see an example for the inline CSS. Okay, here is the I'm using here W3 School HTML editor for given examples. Here we have the simple web page which has H1 as a heading and the paragraph. Let's into the we are going to apply inline CSS to the H1 in the heading section. In the project, it says we color red. This will transfer your heading color into the red. Okay, let's see how it's doing. I'm going to here, and in H1 section, we type style equals in the brackets. We say color, then colon, and the red, and after semicolon. Then we are going to run the. You can see the heading 1 is going to color as a red. Let's see another property for the paragraph section. We can add a background color to the paragraph. Then we use the same style equals in the comma we background color. And the color as a gray. When it's run, okay, as this run, we can see the background color is turning to gray. Okay, let's see the another method of doing that using internal CSS. Internal CSS mean we are doing the all the styling coding into the section of inside the section of style. In the style tags, we are doing all the styling things. The style tag is contained in the head section of the HTML code. For the example, in this example, it says we are choosing the body, and we use curly bracket. Inside of the body, we use background color into light blue. For the all H1 elements, H1 tags in the HTML file, we use color as the navy and the text align into center. For the paragraph, we use font size for 30 pixels and the font family as a sans serif. Let's see how we doing in the code. Okay, we are going to the W3 School HTML editor, and we are into in the head section. We are using style tag, and remember that style tag has a closing tag also. right now we are doing the in here we are doing style color is the red as the h1. On the same we can write it here h1 open curly bracket, then close the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we can use color uh, as a red. Then we have to use semicolon for the as a close. Then we can remove here. For the paragraph section, we can use same thing. For in here, we can turn it to blue. Other than we cannot see the difference. Then we run. Then the text and the head section it's turned into the blue. We can do as the same for the paragraph. We use here paragraph. Open the curly bracket and close the same time. Then we use background color into background dash color into in here we can use try with the yellow and close. We'll just be removed here. Then we run. Here yellow and it turned into the yellow color. Okay, this is the second method of doing the styling CSS using the internal CSS. There's a other method called the external CSS, which is basically using different CSS file to style your HTML document. We are coding different location as CSS file, and then we are referencing it into the our HTML file using that this code link rel style sheet href. This is to a CSS file name actually. It's named as style.css. Let's see how it's going to work. For this example, I'm using here. Here I have an external external HTML CSS file named as style.css. Let's open this HTML file with using Notepad++. It's here actually in the body section. It has only heading and the paragraph. It has linked the CSS file using the relay style sheet and the style.css. Let's open this style.css file using same Notepad++. And here it's we can see the styling codes here. It's same as the internal CSS which we are using inside the style tag, but here we don't use a style tag. We just use the styling code as a in the body tags. For the body tags, we using background color as a light blue. For the H1, we use color as a navy, with the little margin from the starting line. And the paragraph, for the paragraph, we are using color dark gray, and the font size is 16 pixels. As we are running this external HTML file, we can see the background color and the heading is with the margin, and the color is turned into the gray. But we in this HTML file we didn't write any CSS code inside the HTML file unless the reference to the our style.css file. Hope you are doing. Hope you are getting some idea about how the basic idea about how the CSS is going to work. In the coming videos, we are going to explain more and more about the in CSS properties and how to create your website into more and more pleasant way. Thank you.